Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday, I have sent you a worksheet based on percentage. Today, I have taken one question from that worksheet to explain you. So, I have a question. A company spends 40% of its budget on salaries and 30% on marketing, right? If marketing cost is rupees 60,000, find total budget and amount spent on salaries. So, what is given in the question? This is the percentage that a company spends of its budget and on salaries, means 40% of its budget was spent on salaries and 30% of its budget on marketing. And the cost of the marketing is given in the question 60,000. You have to find the total budget. Total mean whole. It mean whole is unknown. What is the case? Whole is unknown. हमें नहीं पता whole क्या है. Right? So in first step, I will suppose whole our total budget as X. जब भी हमें टोटल का नहीं पता होता हम टोटल को X सपोज करते हैं. So I have let the total budget is X. I have supposed it as X. If the total budget is X, now I have to make the conditions from the statement. It is given in the statement that 40% of its budget mean X, because I have taken budget as X. So 40% of its budget mean 40% of X is equal to salaries. First condition is 40% of X is equal to salaries, mean 40% of the total budget was spent on salaries. Done. And next is 30% on marketing. 30% of the total budget, right? 30% of the total budget, and the total budget is X. 30% of the total budget is spent on marketing. So these are the two conditions which I have made from the statement. Clear? सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया कि टोटल हमें नहीं पता था, हमने टोटल को x सपोज किया, फिर हमने x सपोज करने के बाद उससे कंडीशंस बनानी हैं और कंडीशंस हमने स्टेटमेंट को देखना है. 40% ऑफ इट्स बजट मीन 40% ऑफ बजट मीन बजट की जगह हमने x लगा दिया, तो 40% ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू सैलरीज, 30% of X is equal to marketing, right? Okay, now I have to find the total budget. हमें X चाहिए, हमें X find करना है. Total budget is supposed as X. So if I want to find X, I have to pick one equation from these two situations. इन दो situation में से हमें एक value चाहिए X find out करने के लिए. So definitely I will pick out this situation. Why? Because the value of the marketing is given in the question, 60,000. So I have to pick this equation. 30% of X is equal to marketing, क्योंकि marketing की value हमें question में पता है, हम यहाँ पे marketing की value put कर देंगे. 30% of X is equal to 60,000 because marketing cost 60,000. So I have to pick this situation to solve the value of X. So 30% of X is equal to 60,000 and 30% is written in form of fraction 30 by 100 because percentage mean out of 100. This symbol means out of 100. So 30% mean 30 out of 100, of mean multiply, and X is equal to 60,000. Now 30 will multiply with X, it will become 30X. 30X by 100 is equal to 60,000. Now cross multiply, if I take 1, its denominator 60,000 by 1, and we have studied that whenever we have equal sign between the fractions, we do cross multiplication. So by cross multiplying, 30x will multiply with 1, it will become 30x. And 60,000 will multiply with 100, it will become 600,000. Now to find out the value of X, this 30 will be divided when I will shift it over there. तो ये 30 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इसको इधर शिफ्ट किया तो ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 1 0 with 1 0 कट, and 3 1 time 3, 3 2 times 6, and these 0 will come with the value, it will become 20,000. When I will simplify 60,000 by 3, it will become 20,000. So X was the total budget. I have supposed X as the total budget. It means the total budget is rupees 20,000. I have found the value of X. So the total budget is rupees 20,000. Now you have to find the amount spent on salaries. Now I have to calculate that what amount was spent on the salaries. This was the equation for salaries. I have made at the first. 40% of X is equal to salary. Now I have calculated the value of X, that is 20,000. So definitely when I will multiply 40% with 20,000, I will get the amount that was spent on salaries. So amount spent on salary is 40% of X. 40% of X was spent on salary. So 40% of X mean 20,000. X mean 20,000. So 40% mean 40 out of 100 multiplied by 20,000. 20 with 20 cut, and 200 will multiply with 40. It will become 8,000. So it means that 8,000 rupees, 8,000 was spent on salary. I hope this is clear.